Hi, this is Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. In this video I'll show you a runic stave. For luck, it was created by Kantas. What is luck? Luck is when events in your life turn out to the best. This stave will go forward in time and rearrange the events in your destiny in such a way that you will be lucky. This stave teaches you to understand what is luck and to appreciate it. You will learn that nothing in life is an accident, and for example that if your car breaks down, it is luck because it helped you avoid bigger troubles. Later in the video I will also explain how to use it and how to activate it. This graphical magic construct is from my personal collection of powerful rune formulas and runic staves. I have gathered hundreds of powerful magical symbols. Those were created in the history of humanity. These magical symbols are amulets created for practical reasons like attracting money, health, love, but also for mystical purposes, for example protection from black magic, learning to astral project, and even developing your intuition and clairvoyance. All that is available to you right now. All the links are in the description of the video. The author of this rune stave has not provided a rune by rune description, so let's try to do it ourselves. The first rune I notice is the rune Yera. With its cyclical energy, will ensure that the future events of your life will turn out in the best possible way for you. The next rune I see is the rune Gebo. Gebo is the rune of harmony. It will ensure harmony between all the layers of your being and also harmony between you and the higher forces, ensuring support in your life. Next are the rune Ansus. Ansus is the rune of the mental sphere. It will ensure guidance and needed thoughts that will arrive at needed times, so you will be able to take lucky actions. The rune Urus will ensure strong and positive physical energy that will allow all the luck materialize in your life as tangible results, as tangible, positive, lucky results for you. The rune Berkana is the rune of support. You will be taken care of, you will be protected. This energy will ensure that your path is supported and that you are able to move without obstacles towards your desired goals. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, get my free runes PDF guide. It has the meanings of all runes, some rune formulas, divination spreads, and also an example of how you can use and activate the runes with a simple ritual. To use this runic stave, you can draw it on a piece of paper or on a longer term amulet, like a metal or a wooden piece. It is appropriate to select a very specific type of metal or type of wood for your purposes. I explain all the qualities of metals and different types of woods for magical purposes on my course. When you completed drawing the stave, you can say an incantation, then you take a candle in a candle holder and put it on top of the amulet, light the candle and let it burn down completely. For this stave, an example incantation could look like this. By the power of this runic stave, luck will be on my side. It will go forward in my destiny and rearrange events, ensuring the best possible outcomes for me. Then you can name each rune and what it does, and end the incantation with the words of power, so be it. For a stronger ritual of activation that invokes the 4 elements, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. This is a value-packed video course with years of my experience condensed into a short video that will enable you to work with the runes in a safe and efficient way very quickly. Bypassing mistakes that beginners do, those often prevent the runes from working at all.